In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website using the Hostinger website builder quickly and efficiently. Let's get started by heading over to the Hostinger website. To do this, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger. Once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Start Now. Click on it to begin the process of building your very own website. After you've clicked Start Now, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose a plan that best fits your needs. Each plan offers different features, and you should carefully consider what you need for your website before making your selection. When you've decided on a plan, click on Choose Plan to move forward. The next step involves selecting the duration for which you'd like to purchase your hosting plan. Typically, longer durations offer better savings, so weigh your options carefully and select the time frame that works best for you. Once you've made your choice, you'll need to provide some essential billing information. Be sure to enter your details accurately to avoid any potential issues. Now it's time to choose your preferred method of payment. Hostinger offers a variety of payment options, so select the one that is most convenient for you. After you've selected your payment method and reviewed your information, you can finalize your purchase by clicking on Submit Payment. Once your payment is submitted, you'll be prompted to check out the Hostinger panel, also known as the H panel. This is where you'll manage everything related to your website. After accessing the H panel, you'll be asked who this website is for. Here you can select whether it's for personal use, a business, or something else entirely. Following this, you'll be faced with the decision of creating a new website or migrating an existing one. Choose the option that applies to you. If you're building a new website, you'll then decide where you'd like to construct your site. Hostinger offers different platforms like WordPress and more, so pick the one you're most comfortable with. Now, it's time to choose a domain name for your website. This is a crucial step because your domain name is what people will use to find you online, so take some time to think about it. After selecting a domain, click Next to continue to the customization process. Hostinger provides AI-driven customization options that can help you personalize your website effortlessly. With your website starting to take shape, you can go ahead and make changes to the colors, text, and add various elements to ensure it matches your vision. After customizing, connect the website to your chosen domain to ensure it's live. Finally, click on Next Step and then Continue. Congratulations, you've just created your own website using Hostinger's website builder. Happy website building!